Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to be using these crystal molds to be preserving some roses. I have a pink, a red, and a white rose. They're all like different species of roses. These molds were really cheap on Amazon. I got them for like $7, all three of them, so I'll link that in the description. But I'm really excited with the colors that we're playing with. All very bright and springy, and I need that because the weather has been confusing. Okay, so first things first, we gotta clean these molds. I didn't have a fourth rose, but I did have a fourth crystal mold, so I also did this yellow flower thing that I have. I don't know, it looks really cool and I love the texture in it, and it's so bright and yellow that I was really excited to use it. But I'm gonna let Google Translate dictate this for me because I can't really say the name of this flower and I didn't find any layman's terms for it.
Leucospermum reflexum.
And this is the English lady saying it.
Leucospermum reflex.
I am using 3 very different roses from 3 very different bouquets, and the only note is that with the pink rose, something that's so wide and it's really airy in the middle for that pink rose, so I kind of had to crush it a little bit so enough resin would fill in the sides of the crystal molds. Also, you'll notice in the pink rose it bubbles a lot. That's just all of the resin trying to get into the center of that, which you do want it to get there so it's a strong structural piece. So after about a day and a half and 3 or 4 layers per crystal, the pink rose definitely needed special attention, a few extra layers of resin for that one. But after popping them out of the mold, they just needed some touch-ups with resin, and I think they turned out so nicely. The colors even turned out better than I hoped. My favorite one is definitely the pink one. I also really like the dark red one. It kind of looks purple sometimes and it looks very sinister and cool. But I honestly I really like how they all turned out. But if you have a favorite, let me know, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.